Hello guys, how you doing? It's your baby girl Moyosoya Desa. I'm here again. Hope you guys missed me because I missed you. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please I'm begging you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that you can be notified when we have a new post. So today I want to talk about the best way to fit people who are short. Like I've said last Thursday, that fashion wahala believe that any lady who is confident in herself is beautiful irrespective of her size, color or height. So love your body because you are beautiful in your own way. So do not hide behind the boring dress. So that's why I'm bringing you a quick guide on how to look stylish even though you are short. So I'll be talking about the females today, how to look stylish when you are short. I'll be making for the males too. I'll be making a video on how to look stylish when you are short for males. After this video you can check my next video to be for males, but for now I'll be making the females now, making for the females now. So how to look stylish even though you are short. So number one, if you are short and you're a female, wear vertical ornaments, pattern and stripes. They make you look taller and fit. Like when you wear something vertical, like vertical patterns and stripes, you look taller. But when you wear horizontal ornaments, like horizontal pattern, horizontal stripes, you look shorter. So the best clothes for people who are short is to wear vertical patterns, stripes and ornaments. So number two, wear darker colors such as black, blue, green, red, brown, purple, dark, tan or grey. Wear darker colors such as black, blue, green, red, brown, purple, dark, tan or grey. They make you look taller. And number three, wear vertical striped pants, jeans, skirts, etc. to look taller along with giving you a slimmer look. When you wear vertical striped pants, jeans, skirts and so on, it gives you a slimmer look along with making you look taller. And wear well-fitting outfits. Wear well-fitting outfits. Don't wear baggy outfits. And avoid patterns and larger prints. When you wear wide patterns, avoid wide patterns and larger prints. So try to look for a slim pattern and a slim print. Don't wear large patterns and large prints. Number six, avoid baggy clothes or and too much layering. Like don't wear baggy clothes. Like you have to create an illusion so that when people see you, they feel, oh, this person is tall, not knowing you're actually short. So baggy clothes make you look short, even shorter self. So baggy clothes make you look short. Then number seven, do not wear tops that end below your hips. Like don't wear tops that end below your hips. Wear tops that stay above your hips. So when you wear tops that end below your hips, it makes you look shorter, like makes you look shorter. So wear tops that end below your hips and maintain a correct body posture to add inches to your height. Maintain a correct body posture to add inches to your height and be confident in yourself. Then number nine, opt for lighter weight fabrics instead of stiff or bulky varieties. Number nine says opt for lighter weight fabrics instead of stiff or bulky varieties. Then number 10, wear pencil skirts, black skinny jeans, classic short dress. So pencil skirts, skinny jeans, black skinny jeans and classic short dress look good on people who are short, on females that are short. Then number 11, wear spaghetti strapped tops. Like spaghetti strapped tops are good for short women, but you may not like spaghetti strapped tops. But if you are someone that loves spaghetti strapped tops, it's actually good for short women. And number 12, do not wear a cropped pants. Don't wear a cropped pants. If you are a short woman, do not wear a cropped pants. and always be confident in yourself. Be confident. I'm actually someone who is tall. I'm actually a tall person. But at the early stage of my life, I actually feel bad because I was tall. I didn't like it because in school then you have to stand at the back. You don't want to put you at the front, and I'm someone that always wants to be at the front and see everything that is happening, especially on assembly grounds, cultural day when we are having a choreography, cultural dance, all those stuff. I'm always at the back and I used to feel really bad about it. There was one time I was praying that I wanted to be short, I wanted to be short, and people will always abuse you. You are too tall, you are too tall, you are this, you are that. So people will always complain about your height. Can't do anything. People will always complain about your posture, whether you are tall, whether you are slim, whether you are plus size, whether you are short, whether you are anything, people will always have something to say. Then people are always like, you are too tall, you are too tall this, you are too tall that. I'm always at the back, always standing at the back. And I'm like, what? Why will I be standing at the back? And I hated my stature. I really hated it. Then I would pray, I want to be short, I want to be short. I used to really feel bad, and people always want to pick on you. Oh, wow, you are too tall, oh, you are tall, you are this. And I don't know, people will just want to pick on you. So you just have to be confident in yourself. You are beautiful, irrespective of your height, your size, your color, your shape, whatever. You are beautiful. So that's the essence of Fashion Wahala. Fashion Wahala is here to bring you a quick guide on how to look stunning every single time, irrespective of your size, color, or height. So love your body. So that will be all for today. Thanks for watching my video. I love you guys. I love you all, for all the people that have been liking my post, commenting, sharing, and everything, even watching my videos. I love you. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye. I'll be gone now, but I'll be coming back next week fully hot and loaded. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.